Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you will enjoy this little creation that I have for you. This is a kitchen in red, white, and black, and it matches the house that it is in. Now I remember that I shared this house with you and I mentioned that I was going to give each room a makeover. So that's what I've done with the kitchen, and I want to give you a tour, but before I give you a tour, I want to tell you a little bit about this featured section right here, which is the table, the chairs, and this overhead light. Now, what I am using as the tabletop is a mirror. That's all that is. Look at the effect that a mirror has as a table. Isn't that beautiful? Everything else reflects on it. Now, the tabletop is sitting on a three-legged piece, and this is a plastic piece that you will find in your pizza pie box. When you order an entire pizza pie, you get this piece in the middle holding the slices. So that's what that is. And I recently made a video because I went to Pizza Hut and I was eating in the car with my hubby. We were eating the pizza and I remember this piece was in it. And I shared it with you in a video. I gave you the idea that any tabletop that you place on top of one of these pieces makes a great table for your miniature dollhouse or any miniature creation that you would like to start. Now, I have two chairs here. I paid $2 for each. I wish they would have had more. I believe it was a flea market. I don't remember if it was a flea market or a yard sale. It was so long ago that I bought them, but I remember they were $2, and I just wish I would have, I could have bought more, but they just didn't have any. So anyway, to give this kitchen a little bit of red, I took a cardboard piece and I enclosed a section here just for the table. Just because the tabletop has red, so I wanted to incorporate a little bit of red in here. Now, as the light, I want to tell you about the light. That bulb is an ornament. You see this little container here that says 99 cents? These are different ornament bowls. Some of them are silver, some of them are clear, and some of them are like white. So I am using one of the clear ones in here. Look at that. Just like a real setting. Now over the bulb, there is a shade, a lampshade. So that little lampshade is actually a lid on one of these containers. This is the lid. So I'm using it as the shade for the bulb. Now I have a straw here from side to side. I had to put two little squares on the side because the straw was too short, but it worked. And then I attached the light to the straw, and this straw is actually cardboard. It's not a plastic straw. So why don't we go ahead and look at the entire kitchen. Now, walls and flooring, that is a file folder. Well, I actually I used more than one file folder because I had to cover everything, and one file folder was not enough, but it worked out. Now I have 3 poker chips here. They're white and black. They were just perfect for this setting. I can even make those clocks if I wanted to, but I didn't want to like ruin them, I think I have more of those. Then I have a little bay window behind the sink. The sink and the refrigerator were gifts from my hubby for Mother's Day. He gave me some miniatures, but it wasn't last Mother's Day. It was like about 2 or 3 years ago. Then on top of the refrigerator there are 2 roosters. 2 tiny roosters. There's a cardboard clock up on top. And you probably won't be able to see them, but there are 3 plants behind the sink on the ledge of the window. And then there's a jug right by the sink, a gray jug that has utensils in it, like the knives, but it's so tiny. I don't know if I can grab it for you. I'm gonna try so that I can show it to you up close. So there goes the sink. Then on this side there's a plastic stove. And then you can see there's a toaster there with bread, some Wonder Bread, and a box of club crackers. So let's see if I can grab this piece over here for you and bring it up closer, without knocking anything down. And I think I did it. So let's place it right here so that you can see. So you see this piece? This is a little jug with little utensils in it. Those are all the spoons and the forks. So that's it. I think this is it. Oh, and I forgot to show you the little owl here. It's a thermometer, and it belonged to my mom. May she rest in peace. It's a little oversized, but I still think it works. Not everything has to be the same exact size. Some things do work, even if they're oversized. So this is it. This is the makeover of the kitchen of this red, black, and white house. I hope that you have enjoyed it. And now that I remember, there was something else that I didn't show you, was that microwave. See that microwave there? That is a razor dispenser. That's all that is. And that was a promotional piece from, I believe it was an insurance company. I've had it for a long time. So I took a marker and I marked it up so it could look like a real microwave. That's all it is. Alrighty, well now I really think that I have gotten to the end of this tour. So I hope that you have enjoyed this little kitchen, the little table, and the light idea. And thank you so much for watching.